Hello everyone. Today topic is organic transformation. In the organic transformation, cyclic alkene undergoes sequence of reactions to form a product. We have to find out the correct product. Okay, the options are given. This kind of organic transformations are frequently asked in NEET examination. Let's see how to find out the answer. First, cyclic alkene reacts with hydrogen bromide benzyl peroxide reaction condition. In this reaction condition, the bromide ion in the hydrogen bromide attacks at the lesser substituted carbon via anti-Markovnikov of addition manner. That means the bromide ion in hydrogen bromide attacks at the lesser substituted carbon. If the reaction takes place via Markovnikov of addition rule, means the opposite reaction takes place. So here anti-Markovnikov of addition reaction takes place. So bromide ion attacks at the lesser substituted carbon to form a corresponding bromo substituted product. The product name is 1-bromo 2-methyl cyclopentane. Once the product is formed, it reacts with the second reaction condition. It reacts with potassium cyanide. In the potassium cyanide, cyanide ion is a good nucleophile, so it readily replaces the bromide atom on the cyclopentane ring to form 1-cyano-2-methyl cyclopentane via nucleophilic substitution reaction, particularly SN2 reaction. So in the second step, cyanide ion replaces the bromide atom on the cyclic ring via SN2 substitution SN2 reaction. Okay. Once the cyano group is formed, by cyano product is formed, it reacts with the sodium amalgam in ethanol. Sodium amalgam and in ethanol. It is a good reducing agent, so it reduces the cyanide group to primary amine. Cyanide group to primary amine, like this. Primary amine CH2 NH2. This reducing agent reduces the cyanide or nitrile group to primary amine. So the final product is methyl cyclopentane methylamine. So the correct answer is first option. So first option is the correct answer. So overall, first the cyclic alkene reacts with hydrogen bromide benzyl peroxide, undergoes anti-Markovnikov of addition reaction. Second step, it reacts with hydrogen potassium cyanide via nucleophilic substitution reaction. Third steps, in the presence of sodium amalgam and ethanol, it reduces the nitrile group to primary amine. So the final product is methyl cyclopentane primary amine. Thank you.